Okay, good morning. Today, based on the schedule that we have on the last lecture, we see that today is supposed to be the time for us to, let me see. So today is the week of September 27th. So we're supposed to be talking about the evaluation from your submitted paper. However, since I'm still working on it because due to the fact that many assignment and tasks that are given to me in the couple of days, so I haven't finished all of the evaluation of your paper, and I am noticing that there are 23 paper, okay, or 23 paper introductions submitted into the Google Drive, but in my attendance list there's supposed to be 25 students, so we are missing 2 people who haven't submitted their introduction paper yet. So for them, obviously there will be a reduction due to the late submission of their introduction paper, but still, even though there is a reduction of their introduction paper assignment mark, but please submit it as soon as possible because it is part of your major assignment. Okay, so the introduction, I'm sorry, let me share. Okay, so I'm still working. So again, I'm just going to repeat myself that I'm still working on the correction and evaluation of your introduction paper. But I only got 23 introduction paper from 25 students because in my attendance list, there should be 25 or 24 students enrolled in this class. So for those of you who haven't submit your introduction paper, please do so, even though you will get a reduction from the from missing the deadline. Okay, so please send them as soon as possible. Okay, so as a replacement for today's schedule, instead of talking about the paper evaluation, because I'm still working on it, please go to the EduNext account, okay, which I've already prepared for you the materials that we need to learn about how to prepare a presentation slides. And so here in session 1, I'm going to give you time to evaluate and see all of the materials there. I've upload the slides for how to prepare a slide presentation, especially what to include inside of a slide presentation that you see here, and also the deliverability. Okay, how you deliver a talk or an oral presentation. So here in the slides, you should able to learn about how you deliver the message or the main thing about working on a presentation or delivering a presentation is that you want to send the message across to the audience, or you need to send the message across to the examinee during your thesis defense. You want to message across to students. If you are a teacher, you want to send a message to people for and inform them about something that is really important to them. And then how you organize the topic, the subsection, etc., and so on. And then how you arrange the visuals, the graph, the map, the figures, etc., and so on, so that the viewers or the students or the people who is watching your presentation will understand, or at least they knew about, or they comprehend the thing that you gave to them. Okay, and then of course the last part is the deliverability. Okay, how you deliver the talk itself will be important, because sometimes the way that we deliver the message will give comfort or give easiness for the listener or to the viewer or the students that is watching your presentation or listen to your talk itself. Okay, so these are the slides that I've prepared for you for these 2 weeks while I'm working on the introduction paper evaluation. And then in the meantime, you could also check for the YouTube videos that I've prepared. Some of them, I think 2 of them are coming from myself. I guess this is here, the lecture intro. It is a video that is made by myself, but the rest of these are created by people who are expert in scientific communications. And so I'm very, very encouraging you to listen to them and look at their look and then evaluate and see what they are talking about. And if you are agree with them, use their technique in order for you to have a better deliverability. And then if you are not agreeing with them, you could choose for another expert who have different approach in giving oral presentation, etc., and so on. Okay, so for this session, okay, I'm going to working on the paper or the intro paper evaluation, while you is going to while you are going to see the lecture notes and also the videos that I prepared in the EduNext. Okay, while you are also sign for the attendance list. Okay, keep in mind that you need to check your attendance list if you are present in some period. You must check them whether you already signed for your attendance list or not. Okay, because we still have that 80% requirement for the class attendance. So please check them regularly and sign you in. Okay, sign yourself in whenever we have class or workshop. And also during presentation sessions, please also check your attendance list. Okay, sign your attendance list. Do not forget them. Okay, do not forget. Even though I know that you are present at the presentation session or you are giving talk at the time, but please sign yourself into the SIX website to sign for your attendance. Okay, so I'll give you time to access all of these materials while I'm working on the paper evaluation. Okay.